Hi, it's Kassy with Imagine, and today we have teamed up with Waffle Flower to bring you some really fun projects using their awesome stamps. So I've got a cute little flower die cut and this stamp set, and I thought that I could use them together. They work really well together and they're super duper cute. So I've got some Memento ink that I'm just putting, swishing kind of on this gel plate, and I'm going to make a watercolor background. I've got three really fun colors. I've spritzed it with water, and then I'm just going to lift that off there. Now I had that band at the bottom, so I'm just putting a little bit more down at the bottom to cover that extra space, and then I'm putting a little extra because I didn't really want it to be perfect. Kind of wanted just some splatter here and there with those three fun colors, and pretty good coverage overall. So once I was done with that, then clean my gel plate, put that aside, and let my background dry while I move on to stamping and embossing that cute girl's face. I'm using Versafine Claire and Nocturne to stamp both of the girl and the sentiment, and then I'm going to use the embossing powder in black from that cool new emboss bag. Super awesome and easy to use and really precise. I love these new emboss bags. I'm going to emboss them, of course, and then fussy cut each of those pieces out to use a little bit later in my card. I love this black embossing powder. It's super shiny and very just full rich black color. It's gorgeous. You'll see I'm about to put it on this background here. I'm using the Versamark all over that, and then I'm covering the entire background. This is the die cut piece, of course, with that black embossing powder, and look at that. It's super shiny, so gorgeous. I'm loving this technique and this style of having the color underneath and having black on top with some, pattern peeking through. It looks amazing. I need to make like 20 more of these now. So there you can see when I put them together how great that color pops out and how that black shiny really looks awesome. I love it. So I've put some foam adhesive on the back of the girl and the sentiment so that they pop off that background just a little bit. I like the girl being stark white. She really is the focal point here, and really looks great against all those colors and the contrast of the black. Then I decided I wanted the sentiment to have those same colors in them with a nice white border just to help it come off the page a little bit more. So once all of that was done, I'm using my Tear It tape just to stick that to my mat, which happens to be silver matte mirror card. And then I'm putting all of that onto my card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. There it is, my final piece. It was so fun, and I love this technique. I love the black against the color with her on top is really great. The fun and whimsy of the Waffle Flower stamps with the Sook and Echo and Imagine ink products are so fun and great to use together. Do you know what the most exciting part about the collaboration with Waffle Flower is this month? You can win prizes. To enter, all you need to do is subscribe to both Imagine and Waffle Flower's YouTube channels and comment on the videos published this month using both of our products. 2 lucky winners will receive $50 gift certificates, one from each sponsor. This is so exciting. Good luck!